Was it really difficult, that social stigma attached to a high-paying job of an engineer to a teacher? And in India, especially, like in foreign countries, in Japan and
Yeah.
other countries, teacher means a lot.
Hmm.
टीचर
Right.
की वो अलग डिग्निटी है,
Yes.
उनको अलग एक सामाजिक दर्जा मिलता है उनको।
Yeah.
लेकिन हिंदुस्तान में सिर्फ डॉक्टर्स और टीचर्स को, डॉक्टर्स और इंजीनियर्स को हम लोग ज़्यादा हाई पेइंग जॉब और उनको ज़्यादा एक रेस्पेक्टफुल पोजीशन मानते हैं।
Right.
सो वाज इट डिफिकल्ट फ्रॉम योर फैमिली साइड के क्या उनको एक्सेप्ट करना, क्या वो टीचर बन गई है, पहले शी वाज इंजीनियर, ये तुम क्या कर रहे हो, और दैट टू टीचर ऑफ वेरी यंग किड।
Yeah.
सो वो जर्नी कैसी रही, वो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन कैसा रहा आपका?
Yeah, I think that's something. Thank you so much for asking that question, because sometimes it happens, people come to me and they say, ठीक है यार, इंजीनियरिंग छोड़ दी, बट एटलीस्ट 12th को तो पढ़ा लेते। मतलब वाई आर यू टेकिंग अ प्री स्कूल क्लास, इतने नर्सरी के, जूनियर केजी के, इतने छोटे छोटे बच्चों को पढ़ा रहे हो, तुमने इंजीनियरिंग की डिग्री की है। सो आई थिंक देयर पीपल हैव questions like this, when we meet. I especially when I meet my friends, and then, but then I think family, if I talk about my family, they were super supportive in this. They said, something which is making you happy, we will definitely appreciate. Salary is something which is okay, you can explore for like 2-3 years. If it is not increasing, you can think about it, whether you want to continue or not. But the thing which they appreciated that time was my time which I was giving to family. And then because I somewhere knew that if I'm going to join my career back, like where engineering sites were waiting for me, and I was a renowned engineer, I was working with very good people. I had some projects in BSPK and then in Bhilai Steel Plant. So all these things were so fascinating that I would have gone to that place. But definitely at that moment of time, I would have neglected my family for sure, because that kind of profile I had. And being a nuclear family that time, it was very difficult for me to take that decision. So while taking that decision to go towards education, it was my family first, and then because I came across a school which was doing a beautiful job, and then it was so fascinating that I was attracted towards it. So I wanted to explore myself in that area. So it was never like, I'm going to be a part of education from now. But then when the journey started, it completely changed me over. So that's something which is different. But then, yeah, family supported me a lot in this, for sure. I mean, starting from my father-in-law, my mother, who's always an inspiration to me, because all alone she handled me and my sister. She's a doctor. And then she did everything to us, because my father passed away when I was like 5 years old. So from that journey, I saw her working so hard, and just to make sure that we are going to very good schools, and one was in DPS Bhilai, and one was in MGM, and then making them engineer and a doctor. So I thought that this is something which I should always learn, that my child should not suffer. Yes, because my mother gave all the life to us. So this is something which I was clear about that time. But when I went to a school where everything is around kids, and then their motto is to make sure that everyone is happy around, that time I felt ki I'm doing some justice with myself also, because I'm all the time happy. I'm making my family members happy. I'm making my children happy. So it was all connected, So I am so happy that I decided to shift towards education, and engineering is definitely helping me here.